because you're cleaning with clay. You're going to clean, you're going to protect, you're going to polish. A multi-purpose cleaner that also comes with towels. These are great microfiber towels and sponges. And the wonderful Scott Hind is here to tell us more. Now, Scott, this has been so popular that we only have 1 cent left.
Yeah.
Just the original is left.
And that's all you need. I mean, let's be very honest. This is wildly popular. Has been wildly popular for over a decade here at QVC. And I'm helping out our good friend Kylie Watts. She's on vacation. She might be in a really tropical place that rhymes with Osta Ika. She's doing very well. So I'm glad
is not cleaning right now.
She is warmer than what we are right here in Southeast Pennsylvania. Good to be her. So anyways, I'm helping around. But I'll tell you what, I've been a customer for years and years of this. I told you, it is, in my opinion, the best oven cleaner that we present anywhere here on QVC because it is a clay. The same clay that it's been forever from an area in France called Laneige. So it is from the earth. It does the earth's work. It's Mother Nature's cleaning agent. But the big key here is it's strong enough to clean, but not so harsh that it scratches.
And we're going to tell you exactly how it works. You are going to get 2 of the 17.5. So right over here is everything that you're going to get. So 2 of the super size 17.5 ounce the BioCleaner clay cleaner. You're going to get 2 sponges and 2 microfiber towels, all for $34.98. Scott, I can imagine this is going to last and last and last.
Well, if you don't mind, real quick, this right here is the size we offered for years. This was the 200 gram. This is the 500 gram. So this is what you used to get.
Wow.
This is what you get now. So look at all of that clay you get.
That's
you get
amazing.
2 of them. Plus these sponges can be used over and over and over again. Gives you the scrubbing, the cleaning, the polishing, but none of that harsh, nasty chemicals, none of that smell, which is great.
It's just the original scent. It's
That's
really a clean scent, really beautiful. Almost 17,000 have been ordered since December. Let's put it to work. So you just got the sponge wet.
Yeah, we just activate it with a little bit of water. And you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. That's the key with BioCleaner. That's why I love this so much, and that's why it's so good on the nasty stuff, because it's got that clay in it that does the scrubbing, but it doesn't do any scratching. So here we are on an oven, and we just start breaking it down, okay? And you can see it here as it comes through.
Wow.
And all of this has been burnt on with a blowtorch. So this mess is nasty, but this, at the end of its day, is a glass top stove. So you don't want to, and I can just reactivate a little bit more, you don't want this to scratch. It's really important that it not scratch, actually. So we're coming through here, and then what I'll do is I'll take one of the microfiber rags, and I'll come back through. I just want to get it all the way clean to the edge. And then I'll come back through here with a rag.
You can already start to see. Watch this.
I want you to see the difference here as we come back through. Isn't that insane?
That is insane.
And that was
burnt on
with
mess.
a blowtorch. Yeah, absolutely.
Gunk and grime. So you probably, most of us, we're not going to have an oven surface like this or a stovetop surface like this. We hope not. But hey, it happens every once in a while. But imagine if it can get that caked on gunk off, what it can do for all of your surfaces. I just bought a house and I have a new glass top stove. I've never had a glass top stove before. And the other day I was like, what do I use to clean it? This is what I need to get to use to clean this.
Well, what's interesting with glass top stoves is they're incredibly resilient, incredibly durable, like to pots and pans, but they can be scratched. That's the weird thing about them. And you know, when you have BioClean clay, you don't have to worry about that because, again, you're getting all the scrubbing power, but you're not worried about it scratching. So again, same thing here, soap scum. Oh, absolutely phenomenal on soap scum. So you put it on your tile, especially in the grout lines there. Take it in your shower. If you have a glass shower, it's absolutely perfect. And again, here we've just put on soap scum here onto this tile. I'm going to come through with the rag and look at the difference of what was there before and what's there now.
Okay, this works.
That is really, that's the action you want.
None of this is TV magic. This is literally Scott doing this in real time with all of this grimy mess. And there's real dirt and grime on each of these. Remember that your best way to place your order on QVC2 is to call us, 800-500-7590. Many of you are picking up more than one because we're at a sale price here, $34.98 for 2 super size, 2 sponges, and 2 microfiber towels. So really everything that we need. Is there anywhere that I should not use this?
I mean, it's not that you shouldn't, it's that it wouldn't really work particularly well, for example, on carpet. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, it's fine. Again, you don't have to worry about it because this is Mother Nature's cleaner. It's a clay. So you don't have to worry about, you know, bleaches or harsh nasty chemicals. So here, again, you're seeing this is chrome, right? Well, when you clean chrome, you have to be extraordinarily careful. You certainly don't want to use bleach on it or things like that because you can take the shine off of it, you can dull it, you can scratch it. But remember, I just scrubbed this, but I don't have to worry about now all the shine. Look at the soap scum that was on there before. Look at this after. That's the power of the clay going to work.
That's really impressive, the power of the clay. Now, we're using the sponges that are included. Could I use a scrub daddy?
You could, yeah. You could use a Scrub Daddy. I would do it on the warm setting.
Yes, so
not
that's not
necessarily the cold setting. Yeah.
Yep.
I do it in the warm setting. You can use a Scrub Daddy for sure, and you could just use microfiber. Like for example, I like using the sponges personally because, again, they're soft enough that they don't scratch.
Yeah,
but if
these
you
are good
wanted to,
sponges.
I'll just take this microfiber that comes with it.
Yep.
I'll dip it in and just get some here on the rag, and I could come right here.
Got it.
And use it on, for example, a tile. I could start,
Yep.
breaking that loose on a tile here. And
oh my
you
gosh.
see,
You know, I was like, what? This tile doesn't look dirty.
yeah, right? Yeah. Until you see that it is
Look at
actually
what color
quite dirty.
it's supposed to be.
And then, yeah, we'll pick it up here. We'll check it out. And as I come back through here, look at the difference. I just did halfway up.
Wow.
So I used the microfiber. I think the sponge is a little more effective, but you could use most anything.
And the sponges and the microfiber towels come with this set. So really, truly, you could have all of your cleaning taken care of for really any hard, non-porous surface, right?
That's right. That's right. And so, again, let me just finish this now with the sponge. We'll just
Yeah.
we'll make a path of clean here. And this is the tile, the grease, the grime, the stuff that builds up on could be your kitchen, your granite, your marble,
Yep.
or it could also be, your the flooring, your tile floors. If you have linoleum, anything like that, you could put some down with a sponge mop or with whatever you want to use to apply this. But you're just cutting through the grease, the grime, all of it. Very easy, very quickly, but very effectively using something that's found in the earth.
Yeah. And Scott presents a lot of beautiful cleaning products. We have so many great ones, but this one truly, you think it is the best oven cleaner that we offer here at QVC.
It is because it provides the grit, but not the scratching. So you have a nice metal door there that's got the polished finish on it. When you scrub it, when you run in, first of all, the chemical cleaners are nauseating. And you have to wear gloves.
They knock you out.
They're awful. They're literally horrifying, and don't even bother reading the label. And if you get in there with steel wool or things like that, you run the very serious risk of damaging your oven door. Well, when you have BioCleaner, you don't have to worry about that because, again, remember, the whole key here is it is the cleaning and the scrubbing, but no scratching.
Right.
That's what sets it apart.
Yeah.
And then real quick, they showed it there. Many of you heard me say over the years, my daughter and I actually, our hobby and one thing that binds is we restore antiques. So it's just something, we go kind of picking and, we have our own little show that nobody watches.
Wait, I want to watch. How do I find it?
I'd say nobody watches. But anyways, we go and we clean things up.
I'm following up. I want to watch this.
We clean things and we use BioCleaner. So you saw it right there in the video with the copper, with the brass.
Yes.
Use it on that, your copper pots, your brass, your Le Creuset, for example.
Yes, love that.
Chef
Even
Carla
silver,
Hall's
right? I could polish silver.
100% your jewelry.
Great.
Chef Carla Hall brings in a great line of cookware. Love her
Yes.
so much.
She's going to be on In the Kitchen with David on Sunday.
I know that. Yeah, I'm so excited to see her. And so, use it on her pots and pans, whatever you need to. It really does the job. So.
And we've only used this for a couple things, but it looks like new, right?
Oh.
We're not using a whole chunk of this. This is going to last and last and last, especially because you're getting 2 of the super sizes for under $35, plus the sponges and the microfiber towels.
Yeah, it's a blessing and a curse because, you get it from us, which we're very appreciative, and then you don't
need it again.
You don't need it again for quite a while, which is okay. So you see there, I just scrubbed it. It didn't take that much off at the top, but it gives you a lot of scrubbing power. So here you're on a sealed hardwood floor, almost like a parquet, and it's just a crayon on it. So again, and we're using this to show that a waxy buildup. It could be anything, dirt, grease, grime, anything like that. But you have no worries here using it. And there was a little bit of, I don't even know what that was, tar, I don't even know what was inside there. And you go and you just scrub through it. But you're not scratching or hurting the finish on the hardwood. You're just bringing this back to life. If you used like a steel wool, or if you used like some of the scrubby sponges, they would scratch that. They would literally leave scuffs in the wood and would permanently damage it. No worries here.
It almost looks like, I know it's a little bit wet right now and it needs to re-dry, but look at the difference between, even if you look not even at the crayon, right, just at the wood, and look how much fresher and cleaner it looks just from using the BioCleaner.
Agreed, and that's the nice thing about it. So again, I'll just finish this off for those of us that have like to see things done. If we need the finality of it, no problem. And
we'll go back down the line now and clean all of it.
Get everything done, no problem. But
this is amazing. Your item number is V83490, and remember, the phone number is the best way to place your order on Q2, 800-500-7590. Here again is what you're getting. 2 of the super size 17.5 ounce of your bio cleaner. There's also beautiful pictures around here that give you some ideas of where you can use this. I mean, I started to write down what you can use this on, and I had to stop because it was just an entirely long list. Really, there's very few things that it cannot clean.
It really is true because you don't have harsh chemicals in it, okay?
Right.
You just have clay.
Yeah.
It's from this
And can
region
I
of
smell
France.
this?
Oh, I was literally just going to do that. Like, yeah, take a deep breath. Nothing. Yeah.
Very little. No. If anything.
Yeah, right.
It smells a little soapy when you get very close to it. Otherwise, this is the original scent. It's not even really much of a scent. It's just a nice clean.
I would have to find it on the label, but it's like ingredients, clay. Okay, that's it. One.
How often can you say that? You get one of those bottles that you're spraying those chemicals, and I always get nervous if I use that around a stovetop that then is going to be getting warm, or I use it around food. I mean, look at this. So this would be like if you're using this on your cookware, your Le Creuset.
Le Creuset, your any kind of a Dutch oven, that kind of stuff, you're good to go. And you just come right back through and just look how it cleans it all right up. It cleans, it scrubs, it polishes, it shines.
Look at
it does the job. But again, it all comes from Mother Nature. That's the best part.
Okay, I got to get this. I have a new home. I need this. I have a new glass stovetop. I need this. Give us a call, 800-500-7590. Do not miss out on this one. Scott, thanks so much for being here.
So very good to see you as always.
You as well. Thanks so much, Scott. And we wish Kylie a very lovely vacation as well.